I told you guys that GBPUSD will give us a bullish move, right? If you've not watched the analysis we did yesterday, you can go back to the channel to watch the analysis so you will confirm our prediction. I told you guys clearly that GBP will give us a bullish move for the day, and as you can see, GBP open and close bullish. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you stay updated by following the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel. Guys, you can also now subscribe to the YouTube, special program that we are currently, offering, right? So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is subscribe to our YouTube special program, which is our YouTube membership, by the way. So you can subscribe to the membership channel so that you will be able to get more in-depth and more instant updates and more qualified and more quality updates, right? So you will find the link to the membership. Subscribe and stay updated. Now let's take a look at what markets will be doing for the day also. If you have to zoom it in on your power time frame, you can clearly see that this is trending to the upside. This is exactly what we were predicting. We were predicting that GBPUSD will trend to the upside, and this is exactly what market is doing, literally trending to the upside. So we had this impulsive move, which is the high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high. You can see that market has now given us a new higher high. What next the market do next after it gave us the new higher high? We will be expecting an higher low, but market eventually push up to give us a new higher high. So guys, a pullback which will be an higher low is what we are going to be expecting next on our GBP USD. So once we get the pullback, then we can now start anticipating for another bullish move that should form a new higher high. Above all, we will be anticipating for a bullish move for the day on our GBP USD. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates, and also subscribe to the mentorship and to the membership program. Find the link at the top of the channel.